If you're running an online business, you know how crucial it is to capture leads with a contact form and actually do something with them. But let's be honest, how much time are you spending manually transferring contact information from your forms into your CRM? Or worse, how many potential deals are slipping through the cracks because that data isn't making it into your sales pipeline? That back and forth between systems isn't just tedious, it's costing you valuable time and potentially missing opportunities. This is where the Pipedrive Addon by WPForms comes in. The Pipedrive Addon allows you to automatically send your form submissions directly into Pipedrive as new contacts or deals, and all without any manual data entry. Once you've connected WPForms to Pipedrive, you can add a connection to your contact form. From there, you can choose from any of the available actions to perform. Create or update a person, or automatically create a new deal in Pipedrive. You can then map your form fields to the available fields in Pipedrive to make sure the right information is sent over when a user submits a form. Once an entry has been submitted, you can then log into your Pipedrive account and view either your new contact or the new deal that has been automatically created. With the Pipedrive add-on, you can create new leads or deals as soon as a form is submitted without any extra work on your part, saving you some very valuable time so you can focus on the more important stuff. Over 6 million smart business owners, designers, and developers use WPForms to build smarter forms. What are you waiting for? Get started with WPForms today.